Hi guys! This new AI niche is going viral with millions of views. The videos are about everyday objects explaining how they work. In this tutorial, I will share an easy and fast way to create such videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Create images. Firstly, we need to prepare some images of everyday objects in 3D style. Actually, we can use HitPaw Photopea to do that easily. I will put the official access link in the description. Click on the AI generator, then click on Text to Image. On the right panel, we want to select the latest Nano Banana Pro model. Then enter the prompt in the box up here. If you have no idea what to write, I have prepared a prompt template attached in the description. Just replace it with the objects you like. Here I am using a pillow as an example. Then click on Generate, and it will create the image like this. Save it in your device for later. The default aspect ratio is 16:9. If you want the size to be vertical, we can go to Image, import the image we just generated. The drag and drop a vertical image as a reference image. Write the prompt as changing image 1's aspect ratio to image 2's aspect ratio. And there we have a vertical image. Step 2. Image to video. Secondly, we are using Kling AI to animate the image with audio. Go to Video, select the latest Video 2.6 model, and choose Image to Video tab. Import the image as the first frame. Again, we want to type in the video prompt in the box. I will also put my video prompt in the description. You can simply customize it yourself. Click on Generate, and when it is completed, we can have the object explaining how to use them properly video like this. Lastly, we can use video editing softwares like CapCut to combine the clips together and add subtitles in the video. Share it with your friends to have fun. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.